Hi everyone and welcome to Ruckus the Eskie YouTube channel. Today we're going to be opening the BarkBox June 2018 BarkBox. Looks like he's already got at it. So I'm looking at this and this is a squirrel in the lavender dress, Radiant Rhonda. Hey Ruckus, here's your girlfriend Rhonda. Alright, Ruckus, sit down. Okay, I think he likes, oh my gosh. Alright, he is having a ball with Rhonda. We are affiliated with BarkBox, and if you're interested, you can use Ruckus's BarkBox code. He has two, RUCK Ruckus. Oh, no, RUCKUS Ruckus for 10% off, and ESKIE for a free BarkBox with every subscription. Oh man, he's really interested in this lavender Rhonda there. Okay, so let's take a look to see what else is in this box. Okay, who's coming to prom? Okay, I think I know what's going on here. That is Ruckus's prom date. All right, let's see what else there is. Okay, usually BarkBox comes with a couple of treats and some toys. Best treats ever. 98% of the dogs agree. I wonder what the other 2%. Oh, they're dirty liars, it says. Okay, and he's at this one. This one is, hey, I can't read it, Ruckus. Chicken nuggets. Okay, chicken nuggets. All right, what else is there? Ooh, this is cute. What is this squishy thing? He seems quite interested. So it's red mush. What is it? Let me see what this is. Kind of spiky punch. Ah, okay. So I'll leave this here with you. It looks like you like that. Okay, so that looks like a punch bowl that's spiked at prom. And he's going to town with the punch bowl. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Cool. Crunchy pork and apple premium chew bars by Ada. This is very fancy. I usually get their chew sticks, so we'll be excited to try this, huh? Okay, what else we got? I think this is the last one. This is the Koha Omega Strip for healthy skin and coat with omega-rich ingredients. Grain-free treats for dogs. Awesome! Okay, I think BarkBox is a winner this time. He seems to really like the toys prom theme. I'm assuming it's prom season as well. Ruckus, you're neglecting your date. He's always been a foodie, that guy. All right, guys, if you're interested in more videos like this, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, click the notification button, and we'll see you next time. See you later. Bye.